we have separation of powers for a reason. And every now and then, one of the branches goes a little haywire. And that certainly happened with the Obergefell decision. You know, the Constitution says that civil issues should be handled at the local level, at the state level. The reason for that is because the people should be the ones who get to decide how they live. And in several states, more than 30 states, the people already voted that marriage was between one man and one woman. And then federal judges came in and said, those people don't know what they're talking about. And they changed it. And then it went all the way up to the Supreme Court. That's not where it should have been handled. But with separation of powers, the Congress has the ability to rectify the situation. So they can define marriage in the way that they want to and make it the law of the land. And I would encourage them to do that. And the reason that I do that, I don't have anything against homosexuals, okay? Or anybody else. They can do whatever they want. The Constitution protects everybody's rights. We all have equal rights, but nobody has extra rights. Nobody gets to redefine things for everybody else and then make you have to comply to those things. Right. And when that happens, that's wrong.